Today, I'm about to introduce you to someone whose mere presence on your feed will leave you spellbound, the one and only Gracie Bon. With over 5 million followers hanging onto her every post, Gracie Bon isn't just a social media sensation, she's a trailblazer of style, an icon of empowerment, and a muse for those who dare to dream big. But what sets Gracie apart isn't just her flawless fashion sense or her ability to rock any look, it's her unapologetic embrace of self-expression. From her tattoos adorning her right thigh to her stomach, each ink tells a story of resilience, individuality, and unwavering confidence. But wait, there's more. Did you know Gracie's not just a fashion maven? She's also a savvy businesswoman with a net worth that'll leave you in awe. Her journey from Instagram model to online star is a testament to her determination, drive, and undeniable allure. So, if you're ready to immerse yourself in the world of allure and empowerment, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to leave a comment down below sharing your favorite Gracie Bon moment. Until next time, stay fabulous.